Ever blasted 1,000 cold emails only to watch them disappear into spam hell? What if you could send 5,000 hyper-personalized messages overnight, glide past every filter, and wake up to a calendar full of calls? Stay with me, because I'm handing you the exact automation that does it, step by step. Here's the pain. Mass sending triggers Gmail throttles. Manual outreach steals your life. Zero tracking leaves you blind. Now the promise. 3 synced Gmail identities, 1 email released at a time. Real-time status updates straight into Google Sheets. Result? 0% spam flags and domain reputation that actually grows. Picture a 3-lane highway. Every lead is tagged, lane 1, 2, or 3, so traffic is perfectly balanced. But only one car drives at any moment. No jams, no flashing lights, no deliverability cops. Nightly at 3 a.m., when inbox traffic is at its quietest, the workflow wakes up. It pulls only untouched rows from Sheets, stamps each lead with a position, assigns a persona, Sophia, Alex, or Maria, and records a UTC timestamp for forensic tracking. Then the magic. Split in batches feeds 1 lead at a time. A console log whispers, processing email 17 of 5,000. An if router checks the tag 0, 1, or 2 and hands the message to the matching Gmail account. Each account fires with its own OAuth token, its own sender name, its own warmed-up reputation. A 20-second pause, plus a random sprinkle of up to 15 seconds, mimics messy human rhythm. Spam filters stay asleep, and your open rates stay wide awake. After every send, the workflow merges results, marks the row as sent, and writes back to Sheets. No manual tagging, no duplicate outreach, no chaos. Let's talk numbers. A typical sales rep hand sends 100 emails a day and costs about $6,500 a month. This bot pushes 5,000 quality touches before breakfast at the price of electricity. That's a $200,000 annual labor save before you booked a single demo. Psychology baked in. Identity rotation triggers novelty bias. 1 at a time throttling signals authenticity to Gmail. A progress bar line in your copy, your email 17 of 5,000, sparks curiosity and scarcity in the reader's brain. And that live sheet update? It gives your team instant social proof. Momentum breeds momentum. You can steal all of this tonight. Swap in your own sheet ID. Plug in 3 freshly warmed Gmail inboxes. Press execute. Wake up to replies. If you value results over theory, hit like, smash subscribe, and drop the word scale in the comments. I'll send you the cold email template that lands 8% booked calls, stop burning hours, start printing leverage. All the details and setup plus JSON are provided in the link in description. Sign up and get the setup. I'm the growth architect at Elvora AI. It's time to build the AI automation from scratch. Okay, picture Nate as a big tabletop full of Lego. I'm going to tell you exactly which brick to grab, where to click, what to type, and why it matters. Open a blank workflow and follow my voice. First brick, schedule trigger. Drag in the schedule trigger node. Double-click it. Choose every day. Then set the time to 0300. Why 3 a.m.? Your prospects' inboxes are calm, Gmail's rate limit is generous, and you'll hit the top of the pile by dawn. Click Save. Second brick. Manual trigger. Pull in a manual trigger node, name it Test Trigger. Keep the default settings. Reason, we don't want to wait until tomorrow to see if this works. Manual trigger lets us fire on command. Now draw a line from both triggers to the next step. Think of it as 2 doors that lead to the same hallway. Third brick. Fetch email queue. Add a Google Sheets node. In Credentials, pick your Google account. Under Document ID, paste the sheet URL that holds your leads. For sheet name, select the tab, usually Sheet 1. Now scroll to Filters. Click Add Filter, column equals status, condition equals, value equal leave blank, meaning we only pull rows that have an empty status cell, aka never emailed. Hit Execute node to make sure rows appear in the preview. If you see data, you're golden. Fourth brick, prepare sequential processing data. Drag in a code node. Name it exactly that so future you knows what it does. Choose JavaScript. Paste the snippet you see on screen. Quick translation. It loops through every row, numbers them, and decides which of 3 Gmail accounts will send it. It attaches a friendly persona name, Sophia, Alex, or Maria, to match that account. It timestamps the moment for later audits. Click Save and Close. Fifth brick. Split in batches. Drop in a split in batches node. Batch size 1. This throttles us to a single email per pass, exactly what keeps Gmail from slapping a spam label on our forehead. Test run. Click the manual trigger. Press Execute Workflow. Watch the console. Processing email 1. Sent. Status in Sheets flips to Sent. Wait 20 plus random seconds. Processing email 2. If you see green check marks and no red errors, celebrate. Switch off the manual trigger for production, save, and let the schedule trigger take over tonight.